Welcome to this video on mastering Claude Code Commands. We'll explore how to use Claude directly from your terminal to enhance your coding workflow and efficiency. The foundation of using Claude Code is typing the // which reveals all available commands. This allows you to navigate Claude's features directly without leaving your current workspace. The /compact command is crucial for managing tokens. It clears conversation history while retaining a summary of the previous context, allowing you to add custom instructions to refine the summary. For coding safety, use the /security-review command. It automates security checks on your current branch, helping you catch vulnerabilities before committing any changes to your code. Task delegation is possible using /agent. You can deploy specialized subagents with their own context windows, custom instructions, and specific tool permissions, like a marketer for brand copy. These subagents work in parallel spaces, allowing for dedicated focus. They then return polished results back to your main chat, as demonstrated by generating headline ideas for a website. To encourage deeper reasoning, use UltraThink. This feature forces Claude to process information more extensively. The rainbow indicator signifies deeper reasoning and higher token usage for comprehensive results. The /skills command allows you to define reusable workflows. These skills operate within your current context and can be stacked to build complex, automated processes, such as front-end design scaffolding. Use Shift+Tab to toggle plan mode for strategic execution. The /plan command prompts Claude to ask questions and outline the project architecture, ensuring alignment before any code generation begins. Claude integrates with your IDE's terminal for environment integration. This provides instant visual feedback of the files being generated and edited in real time, streamlining your development process. Establish persistent project memory by placing a claude.md file in your root folder. Claude automatically loads custom instructions and style guides, ensuring consistency across every conversation. These commands are a starting point. For continuous learning and advanced configurations, refer to the official Claude Code documentation. It offers detailed information for power users. The Claude Code architecture follows a cycle: setup, strategy, execution, and maintenance. This structured approach helps organize your coding workflow for maximum efficiency. Here is an essential command reference for quick access. This table summarizes the primary use cases for the most powerful commands discussed in this video. Use Claude Code to code faster and ship safer. Start building your projects with Claude Code today.